In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, I am going to continue to teach you how to fly the space shuttle by going to the instrument that brings everything together for the CDI, and that is the Course Arrow. And it's in the primary flight display, and when you click on the primary flight display, it takes you to the primary flight display page. And we're going to come down here you have the compass card there. We're going to talk about this right here, the course arrow. And when you click on it, it takes you to the course arrow page. And you see we have it circled here in orange. Now, what this does is it displays the pre-selected runway heading for reference of the course deviation indicator, which is part of this. You see that's why those colors are the same right there. And on launch, the course arrow points directly to 0, as you can see right here. It's right underneath the lubber line, which is the mission-defined target insertion plane defined to be 0 on the compass card. So right here, it's always going to be 0 because that's what you're aiming for. And down here, now all these parts of the course deviation indicator, that is going to help you get to this this direction, which is where you're going to. Think of this as your goal. That's where you want to go. And in this, we can see we are actually in mode 103, right up there, sorry, mode 103, which means we're launching. We are not quite into orbit yet, but we are getting there. So that is the course arrow of the space shuttle. Now, if you are a Patreon subscriber, even the free one doesn't cost you a thing. And if you want to join up for free to go further with me into the schematic, I'll have that link down below. You can click, if you are a paying or free subscriber to my Patreon page, and click on schematic, it takes you to this diagram right here, which shows the magnetic north and the vehicle direction. So this is what the course deviation indicator is doing when you're coming in to land for the heading geometry, and that will be the magnetic heading on your compass card. But this will be the course arrow, and that's coming into land. Now, also when you come into land, the course arrow will be pointing here to the end of the direction to the end of the runway. Not the end of the runway, but this direction, the extended center line. So if this is runway 360, or runway 36, which is 360 degrees, it will be at 0 like we were seeing. If it is for runway 18, it'll be at 180 degrees on the course indicator, which is the exact opposite. And here you'll see if this is the course indicator for the end of the runway for this reference points, actually those should be lined up. That's a little off, but you see this is parallel to this course right here that goes to the end of the runway, which should be straight, but we're not going to discuss why NASA might be a little bit wrong there. There might be a reason why they have that. I don't know why they would do some kind of an angled approach to a runway, but that's what they have. So this is what the course indicator schematically would be showing. So now, if you are a paying subscriber for on our Patreon, which is only $4 a month, and if you click back on schematic,